I want to take a little moment to talk to my first time buyers. I know how exciting it is to get your first house. I know that it's like you have this dream and you picture it in your minds and you know like how awesome life's going to be once you get into your new house. But here's the thing. You're not buying this house forever. Think about how much your life is going to change over the next 30, 40, 50 years, even the next 5 years. This is a house to get you in the real estate game. That's what's most important here. You want to get in this first house so that you can use that as the springboard to get you into your dream house in the future. So let's make sure that it fits your current lifestyle. Let's make sure you're not going to outgrow it within the next year. Let's make sure it's in a place that you want to live and it's a payment that's affordable for you. And then after a couple years, when you're ready, then we look for the dream house.